NexPaq. Now here is a smart gadget for every smartphone user. NexPaq is basically a phone case, but it can serve a variety of purposes. This is a very exciting and groundbreaking invention that can add a whole new dimension to your smartphone, especially your iPhone. This multi-purpose phone cover can be customized and comes in a variety of modules, which are shaped as attractive small cubes. For starters, the case contains a 100 mAh battery, which not just powers up these modules, but can also be used to charge your smartphone. These modules offer a whole gamut of add-on features, such as an SD card reader, an air quality scanner, a laser, a super bright LED light, a USB flash, an additional 32 GB worth of backup space, and a lot more. All in all, the NexPaq can make your smartphone even smarter. All you have to do is slide your phone into this high-tech cover, and you will unlock a hitherto unexplored side of your smartphone or iPhone. Thereafter, you can simply take out the module you need and put it back inside the cover once you're done using it. With smartphones getting smarter by the day, the smartphone cover had some catching up to do, and the NexPaq does not fail to deliver in this regard. If you would like to own this wonderful cover, do take a moment to check out the purchase link given in the description below. Anti-theft backpack. Have a look at this bag. It looks pretty normal, doesn't it? Only it isn't. Check out a host of features this anti-theft backpack comes with. First off, as the name says, it ensures that your possessions are protected from any form of theft. Not only does it have these amazing zipper pockets, but its opening is very hard for anyone to find. Unlike a normal bag, where you find the zips in the front, the anti-theft backpack's smart build allows for the zip to be located on the back side of the bag, instead of the front, so that only you can see and access the contents within. Say you're taking a public transport, or are passing a particularly crowded area. Instead of fearing that someone might unzip your bag and steal the contents without your notice, you can simply go about your activities without any worries. Alongside this smart feature, the bag has a very stylish and compact design. There is ample space to carry all your belongings, and the slots provided in it ensure that your possessions are organized. You can take it to work, college, or even when you go hiking. This bag is safe, reliable, and comfy. It also comes with an inbuilt charger, meaning that you can charge your phone anytime, without having to deal with power banks. It's ultra light and waterproof. Click the link in the description to buy it at an awesome price. Laser keyboard. Next up, we have the laser keyboard. This product is designed in such a way that it looks like a power bank, but it also has a unique feature, which is its laser keyboard, or air screen keyboard as they call it. There are two LED lights here in the front and a sensor below that, which detect the keypad. You have to hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds to switch on this gadget, and this instantly activates the laser keyboard. This keyboard has all the standard keys that you can get to see in a normal keyboard. This is easily connected to Android and iOS phones. First of all, you have to pair the device with your phone's Bluetooth, after which it can be used with the laser keyboard for typing on your phone or tablet, which you have paired this gadget to. If you wish to purchase this amazing product, then we have provided the link to purchase this in the video description. Zippak Zen. Guys, we sometimes get stuck in situations where we wish we had access to a chair. We miss the comfort that this simple tool could provide. For such situations, you could keep these foldable chairs handy. These can fold up to an incredibly small size, which means you can carry them with you wherever you go. And whenever you feel tired or need to rest for a while, simply take it out, unfold it, and have your moment. Along with being compact and easy to carry, these chairs are pretty tough and comfortable as well. Now, you can carry your comfort with you wherever you go. Ironman Arm. Just like Iron Man could shoot off missiles from his arm, this artificial Ironman arm can shoot off real rockets, which can be quite thrilling. This arm shoots out rockets with a super high speed. The speed is so high that the person wearing it can be jolted behind due to its recoil action. Be careful, you might even fall due to the force. Guys, every Iron Man fan must have thought of owning Iron Man's suit sometime in his life. Well, for now, we can grab this arm and shoot away. Ultra-thin laptop lock. Laptops and notebooks are devices which we use to carry our most personal and secure information, so a tight level of security is needed for them. This is where the Kensington laptop lock comes in. This comes in with a locking mechanism that can connect to both laptops and even ultra-thin notebooks using the security slot found in them. This device comes in with a T-bar locking mechanism system which instantly locks the device in place and enhances theft protection. It also comes with an anti-tampering system and a carbon steel cable that gives your laptop an extra level of security. The Kensington lock comes with free online software, which is a key registration portal, where you can enter your username and password and lock and unlock your device anytime you need. The cable has the ability to be pivoted and rotated, making it very easy to move. This gadget can be purchased from Amazon or their official website for $18. Lens Kit. Coming up next, we have Lens Kit. If you are a photography freak, then this gadget is bound to come in handy to you. While many modern smartphones come with HD cameras, the Lens Kit can further enhance your photography experience. This gadget is an additional camera lens. Its lens can be easily affixed to your mobile phone's back cover. It comes in a wide range of lenses, such as a wide-angle lens, which can be used to expand the photo frame. Another lens is the super macro lens, which is particularly useful when focusing on a particular object. The Lens Kit also offers you the fisheye lens and the telephoto lens. These lenses are designed to boost the optical range of your all-new customized camera. If this gadget caught your attention, then you can buy it in the link given in the video description. UrbanTrend Orbit. Guys, the next gadget we have can prove to be your savior in the kitchen. If you have ever worked in the kitchen, you would know that whenever you want to make something delicious, chopping up veggies always takes the most time, especially when you want to make a salad. This gadget, called the UrbanTrend Orbit, is a chopping device which can help you prep your greens in no time. Honestly, greens do take up quite some effort and time in the kitchen. You could use this device to chop your salads, herbs, and other vegetables. It has a circular handle which resembles the steering wheel of a car, and in the center we have sharp, circular blades. You need to hold the handle and roll the blades back and forth over the greens that need to be chopped. Your salad or herbs can be ready within a few seconds. Cleaning this gadget is easy, and once the job is done, you could cover the blades with a lid, fold it up, and store it wherever you want. The lid makes sure you're safe and never exposed to the sharp blades when you take this gadget out for your next use. This gadget is a must-have for every smart kitchen. RC Excavator. As far as RC toys are concerned, today we have a new addition to our ever-growing list of remote-controlled toys. So this here is the RC Excavator. To put it in layman's terms, this is a JCB machine that comes with a remote controller. As compared to RC cars and trucks, the RC Excavator is highly customizable, which means that you can fine-tune its digging arm, its controls, and a lot more to your preferences. And that is why the remote might first come across as a bit too complex. As compared to your average controller, it comes with joysticks on both sides, with the buttons in between. So while a bit tricky to learn at first, the controller gives you plenty of options to move the toy around your home or in your backyard. This gadget is structured like a real JCB machine, and that is probably what endears RC toys to us. This truck can be easily maneuvered on the most challenging and testing of terrains. Its stability and durability more than make up for its underwhelming speed. In case you've been wondering about it, you can use its digging arm to dig up soil and carry it anywhere. The only condition here is that the soil must already be powdered so that the digging arm can easily pick it up. Being a toy, it is obviously not meant for real digging and must not be used to pulverize rocks. All in all, this gadget is a must-have for imaginative kids and RC fans alike. Wireless earbuds. Guys, these are the most compact earbuds in the world. These earbuds are made keeping those folks in mind who do not like the hassle of carrying a wired headphone along with them. These earbuds come with an aluminum case which has a silky smooth finish. It has an inbuilt battery so that whenever you're not using the earbud, it can be charged up in this stylish case. This device is coated based on a nano waterproof technology so that you can use it in the water too. If you're wondering about the sound quality, then this product has high quality speakers which give you a great sound clarity and awesome bass. This is so compact that you can easily carry it around in your pocket without much hassle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.